Alright, how's it going? Alrighty. Savoury mince. Let's smash this one out. Alright, so first thing I do is I put a pot of potatoes on, so we make a big pot of mash-up. Okay, for savoury mince you need a kilo of beef mince, you need 1 brown onion and you want to dice it up. You need, I've got 3 small carrots, but if you've got big ones just do a couple. You want to peel them and you want to grate them. We got frozen peas, frozen corn. Now normally I would put bacon, 4 or 5 rashers of bacon in, chop them up, but I haven't gotten in. I found some good old spam in the cupboard, so I've chopped some of that up, which is canned ham, to chuck that in. Alright, if you've got fresh garlic, use fresh garlic, otherwise I'm using minced garlic from a jar. Thyme and rosemary, Wistershire sauce, of course, salt and pepper. And also, last but not least, you need your gravy mix. So your instant gravy mix, we're just using the powder, alright? So whatever one you've got, use that. Alright, let's cook. Alright, get your pan hot. Now, the awesome thing about savoury mince is back in the day, when it was around, it was to feed your whole family when you had hardly anything. You just throw anything and everything you want in there and make your savoury mince. So if there's things you don't like, leave them out. If there's things you want to add them. Okay. First thing we do, a little bit of olive oil. Chuck your mince in. Chop it all up. Once you chop your meat up, you want a good sprinkle of salt and pepper. Add your diced onion. Mix that up. Alright, chuck your spam in. We're pretending it's bacon. There she goes. I'm using minced garlic. I'm going to do a tablespoon. So, 2 cloves, 2.5 cloves crushed maybe. I like lots of garlic. Mix it all up. Once that's all mixed in, get your rosemary, and you just want a light sprinkle of rosemary over the whole thing. And same with your thyme, just a light sprinkle over it all. It'll all come out. Good old Worcestershire sauce. As much as little as you want, depending on you like it. I like to cover it really well in it. Don't be afraid. So good. Alright, keep mixing until we've browned it all. So it's blended in properly. Add your carrot. Your corn. Your peas. Alright, mix it all through really good. Once you've got it mixed through really good, now you can use some chicken stock if you want, but I never do. I always use water for this. So get yourself some water. Maybe a cup, depends on how gravy you like it. So that's probably about a cup there. I'm going to go a bit over, try that. Now we want to put it on to simmer, and we want to just simmer it for 5 minutes like this. Keep adding water if you want. So you want it like that in the middle, you want this water, because we're going to turn that into gravy. But we just want to blend all the flavours together, alright? So 5 minutes on simmer. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. I've added another cup of water because I love gravy. Alright, it just depends on if you really like gravy or not, but Alright, because I love gravy. Alright, it just depends if you like gravy or not. But if we're doing it with mash, lots of gravy is good. Alright, start getting heaped teaspoons of your grey box mix and sprinkle it on. Probably sprinkle on 3 to start with. Mix it up really well. And you just keep going. Keep sprinkling more and sprinkling more until you've got gravy. So make sure now, I forgot to show you, I turned it up a little bit, alright? So it's not on simmer now, because to make gravy thick, the water has to be boiling, okay? So crank her up while you're doing this. She's a little bit brown, but there's no gravy yet. We go again. Another 3 teaspoons. I like doing teaspoons just to, so you can not do it too quick and all of a sudden have it too thick. Mix her in. Oh yeah. Oh, it's getting there now. I'm going again. And another 3 teaspoons should do it. Oh yeah, see how it's thickening up now? That's how we want it, folks. Oh, this is so good. It's such a, what do you call it? Comfort food. You know? Yum. Kids love it, especially with the mash. Alright, see how it's nice and thick now? I'm heaps happy with that. So I'll give it a mad stir for about a minute. And then what you do is you turn it right down on a really low simmer. And you let it simmer on really, really low for about 10 minutes while you get your spuds all organised, alright? Alright, now it's beautiful and thick. Oh, just yum. Alright, I'll turn it down. Always taste test in case you need a bit more salt or pepper, or it's beautiful. Yummo. Alright, so I'll leave that on a really small, light simmer while I get the spuds ready. Alright, now for the fun part, serving it up. How quick and easy is that? Great meal. Alright, mash in the middle. I put pizza cheeses in mine and cream and butter and I'll do an adult one first. Alright, so I'll put it in, then I'll make a big well in the middle, like that. Fill it up with your beautiful savoury mince. Oh mate. Look at that. Just yum. Another little one on top. They'll always come back for more anyway. How beautiful is this? Now for the kids, we usually whack some dead horse on it, which is tomato sauce. I don't know why, but us Aussies call it that. That's just because that's how we roll. There we go, folks. Savoury mince on mashed potato. Doesn't get any better than that. You'll feed your whole family on it. Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. And I will be back shortly with gingerbread popcorn. Bye.